Well, I felt pretty good implementing my patient and clinician tools into my standardized practical because it just felt like it gave me a good reference point. It gave me a good place to start when I was talking to my patient. My history, it kind of took a lot of the guesswork out of my history. I was able to read that and I knew exactly where to go with it. My pain scale was right there. I had an exact idea of it. I didn't have to guess like what an 8 was. Like your 8 is different than my 8. It said he was in very severe pain. So to to have that and quantify it was really nice. I'm glad I decided to use one. Um, I think in the future I am going to continue to use them. I think it did help me take a whole body approach to healthcare because it reminded me to treat my patient as a person and not just an injury. Um, I will continue to keep it in my practice because that's the most important thing is to remember that they're a person and they're a person first and they happen to be hurt. They're not just an injury that I have to evaluate. So I'm I think it was very helpful. Um, I just I just think that I got a lot more out of this than I really thought I would have. My eval went well, I think. And I think my patient really did respond well because I was able to take the um, the Oswestry back questionnaire and tailor my questions to what he had said, and then I could understand where he was coming from, and we could relate on a one-to-one level. I was able to understand what he was going through to an extent. I could give him a um, what's the word I'm looking for? An example from my history, so we could build on that personal trust and confidence and go from there. So uh, the standardized practical did enhance the my learning experience. I picked up little things that will help me in the future, mainly being able to treat them like a person and understanding what to use and how to use the patient related and clinician related outcomes because just I didn't really know a lot about them coming in, and I've learned so much in these 8 weeks that um, I hope that I can continue to grow and learn by using them.